How to log in into OSR Payroll Tax Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into OSR Payroll Tax Account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the OSR Payroll Tax Login QLD on the search bar. After searching, this type of interface with different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. Here, as you can see, QLD stands for Queensland. Now, in order to log in into your account, scroll down until you see this option of Login Publications, Queensland Government. Click on it. Wait for a while and you'll be directed to this page. Now scroll down and under the login section, here you need to enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. So enter all of your details and verify that you are not a robot and simply tap on login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.